Sorting values in specific order is a common problem in programming. JavaScript provides a method called sort for this purpose. In this lesson, we'll focus on how to use the sort method to sort arrays. Let's take a look at our grocery list again. This time, we want to order our grocery list alphabetically by name. So sorted equals grocery list sort. And sorted will be apples, avocado, bananas, oatmeal. By default, the sort method sorts items as strings alphabetically and returns the sorted array. Note that the sort method also modifies the original array. You can also create custom sorting logic by providing a custom compare function. For example, let's sort the grocery list by the length of the item names. Let's sorted by length equals spread operator grocery list sort A, B, where A length minus B length. To avoid modifying the original array, we copied the array using the spread operator before sorting. Now, we want to sort our shopping list by quantity. To sort arrays of objects by numbers in ascending or descending order, we need to provide a compare function to the sort method. So let ascending equals spread operator shopping list sort A, B, where A quantity minus B quantity. In the compare function, A and B represent two items that are next to each other in the array. To order items in ascending order, A quantity minus B quantity must be used, and for descending order, B quantity minus A quantity must be used. So, in order to sort this list in descending order, we can use let descending equals spread operator shopping list sort A, B, where B quantity minus A quantity. Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. First, let's declare the array with numbers. So let numbers equals 23, 1, 45, 12, 78, and 3. And then let's sort the numbers in ascending order like this. Let ascending equals numbers slice sort A, B, where A minus B. And in descending order, let descending spread operator numbers sort A, B, where B minus A. We use slice or spread operator to make shallow copy first. And now, let's declare the array with words. Sorting words in descending alphabetical order might have been a little more challenging. So did you manage to find a solution? My solution uses the reverse method that reverses the array. It is another useful method worth remembering. So let words descending equals words slice sort and then reverse. So first we sort an array in ascending order and then chain the reverse method to reverse it. Finally, to sort words by their length in descending order, let words descending length equals spread operator words, sort A, B, where B, length, minus A, length.